Russia goes through tanks like Ukraine goes through drones, as they have increased the number of Kamikaze tanks they deploy, sending off tanks remotely with a lot of explosive material against fortified position, while the front line is full of mines, anti-tank weapons, artillery and drones. The chances to make it through isn't great, as we see here a Ukrainian FPV drone targeting what looks like a stationary T-62 tank. But when hitting the tank, a large explosion occurs, indicating large amount of explosive to have been stored inside, absolutely obliterating the tank, showing Russia isn't done with their desperate move to break through Ukrainian defensive lines, as they rather blow up their own tanks than use them. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.